Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be doing the walking water science experiment. Now, I already started setting up my experiment, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to get 7 clear cups. Now, they can be plastic or glass, it doesn't matter as long as you can see through them. Then once you have your cups, I want you to fill each one halfway with water. And then we're going to add some food coloring. So if you start at the end, I want you to add 10 drops of red food coloring. And in the second cup, I want you to leave it alone and not put any food coloring in it. The third cup needs 10 drops of yellow food coloring. I know mine looks orange, but I promise that it's yellow. And the fourth cup, you're going to leave be. The fifth cup, you want 10 drops of blue food coloring. And the sixth cup, we're going to leave alone as well. In the seventh and last cup, we want 10 drops of red food coloring again. So both ends have red food coloring, and then every other cup is left alone. Now your next step is to cut up some paper towels. I have 6 strips of paper towels. What you want to do is put one end of your paper towel in one cup and the other end of your paper towel in the other cup. Now I want you to make sure not to make these strips too long, because if it's too long, the experiment won't work. Just make sure that both ends can touch the liquid in either cup and you should be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put my strips in each cup of water so the experiment can begin. Now my friends, do you notice something already happening? I see that the water is traveling up the paper towels. Do you see that? The paper towels are absorbing the water and the food coloring. Can you say the word absorb? The paper towels are absorbing or soaking up the water and the food coloring. Now, what do you think will happen if the food coloring reaches the middle cup? What will happen if the red and the blue mix together in this cup? What color do you think it will make? And what color do you think blue and yellow would make in this cup? And what about yellow and red? What color do you think yellow and red would make in this cup? Okay, let's keep watching and find out. Okay, my friends, so while the paper towels are absorbing the liquid, I'm just going to stir everything together to make sure all of the colors combine, okay? So my friends, the paper towels have been absorbing or soaking up the water in each cup for a long time now. And do you see anything different? Are any of our cups clear anymore? That's because all this time the paper towels have been absorbing or soaking up the water with food coloring, and it let it travel to each cup. And now there are colors in every cup. So now it looks like there's walking water. So let's see if our guesses for what colors would be in the clear cups are right. Now, between the red and the yellow cup, we have the color orange. Did any of you guess that color right? That red and yellow would make orange? Now, what about yellow and blue? What color did that make? Green, that's right. Did any of you guess that one right? And lastly, what about blue and red? Did you guys think that that would make this color? Purple? So my friends, this is a great science experiment to do at home if you want to learn all about absorption and color mixing. So I hope that you can get some food coloring, some water and paper towels, and can do this experiment at home, because it is lots of fun to watch all of that water travel through that paper towel through absorption and turn the colors of the clear water into a brand new color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this science experiment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!